Hello and welcome to Niger Infusion. I'm going to show you how I prepared this mushroom and peas risotto that is perfect for vegans and for vegetarians. To get started, in a pan, add onions, chili, thyme, ginger and garlic. You can choose to use black pepper instead. Then in goes in the mushroom. Use any mushroom of your choice. Then we add in butter. You want it creamy, so butter is necessary. If you don't want it creamy, then leave the butter and the cheese out. Then in goes in lemon juice. You can choose to use white wine instead. Is entirely up to you. Then in goes in the rice once the mushroom is sweated down, as well as the stock, vegetable stock. You add water, you add the stock a little at a time, not water, the stock little at a time. Don't go in all at once because you want it to cook al dente and not come out extremely mushy, but al dente and very, very nice. When the parts start cleaning the way it looks now, then you know it's time for you to add your last vegetable, which was peas in my case. Then in goes in the 100% vegan cheese. I couldn't find Parmesan, which I would have preferred, but I just had to use what I had. So I added it in for extra creaminess, including the, with the butter and the cheese, everything just came together and it was so lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try this recipe out and give me feedback. Thank you so much. Remember to like and to subscribe. See you next time.